Losing your Android device to malware or theft can be a real sucker punch, and nobody wants that for sure. We'll tell you how to keep your smartphone protected. First of all, download apps only from the Google Play Store, where they are checked by moderators. For added security, disable installation from suspicious sources. Google Play keeps tab on developers, but you still need to remain alert. In the app description, you will find information about the creators and their previous work. Always read reviews by other users. Beware of rave review chains. Real people talk about defects too. Check out the number of users. Apps that have millions of downloads are less likely to be malware. Carefully examine the list of permissions requested by the app. Why would a game need to know what's stored on your SD card or use your phone book? Don't clutter the gadget. Even if you don't run an app, it could still do some nasty stuff in the background. The operating system and all apps should have the latest updates. That way, you'll patch security holes found in apps and Android itself. For your Google account, social media accounts, mobile banking apps and finance-related apps, two-factor authentication is essential. It's simple. Besides the password, you enter a one-time code sent via a text message, specialized apps, or even hardware. Without this code, an intruder cannot log into your accounts, even if they know your password. Set a long PIN code or password for your smartphone. Even if the gadget gets stolen, crooks will have a hard time figuring it out. Remember that patterns are too easy to pry. Avoid online shopping and banking within public networks. If you have to, use a VPN solution such as Kaspersky Secure Connection. It protects your connection by encrypting your data. Use a mobile anti-malware solution. If you don't want to spend money, install a free app. For example, Kaspersky Internet Security for Android. The free version lacks some cool features found in the paid app, but it offers decent basic protection. Mail, mobile banking, and other important apps can be PIN protected. Kaspersky Internet Security for Android, for instance, offers a screen pinning function. If you lose your phone, you can still find it. Kaspersky Internet Security Anti-Theft is here to help. It lets you remotely turn on the phone alarm, photograph the new owner, lock the device, and delete all information. As you can see, security is 90% awareness and 10% technology. Remember these simple rules, and your gadgets will remain safe and sound.